One of my favorite ways of making money online is via freelancing. And you guys have actually heard about freelancing 1001 times, and you're wondering how exactly can I get started with being a freelancer? In this particular video today, I'm going to share with you guys who a freelancer is, how you can actually get started, and the best skills that you can actually start with when freelancing that would make you a very huge income in the coming month. Firstly, it would be interesting to know who a freelancer is. Now, a freelancer is an individual who earns money on per job or per task basis, usually for a short-term work or an independent contract. And this means that this particular person is not tied down to any company or any particular job. He actually goes from job to job, task to task, to complete what he has to do, and he gets paid. With how fast the internet is growing, this is the best time to actually start out as a freelancer and start making cool money for yourself. And this is exactly why I want to share with you guys 5 of the top skills that you can start learning right now as a freelancer, and you're going to make a lot of money in this particular year. Now, in order to do this, I actually employed the help of an AI tool, which is ChatGPT, a very crazy ass tool that has actually been making a whole lot of wave and you've been hearing about on social media lately. And I asked ChatGPT, what are the top skills for freelancing anyone can learn in 2023? And this is it, guys. It's a feedback from ChatGPT. It's telling me, Franklin, the top skills for freelancing 2023 are likely to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on and on and on. But here, I am also going to share with you guys, based on my insights and experience in this particular space, what has actually worked for me in the past, and also my prediction on what is going to work best for you if you're a beginner and you're looking at getting started with learning some top skills that will help you earn a lot of money in the online space. The basic thing here about freelancing is the fact that you can actually sit at the comfort of your home and you are actually earning money because you are working with someone on a contract, someone who is in the US, someone who is in UK, someone who is in France, someone who is in Finland, and you're being paid in foreign currency. So you're in Nigeria, but then you're actually getting paid in USD. Now, this has actually made me the most of money online, and it can also make you too. Now, what are the 5 top freelancing skills you can actually get started with right now? The very first one here is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing in a layman's term is basically when you're actually driving marketing activities, to get more eyeballs to a product or a service using digital tools, using the online space basically. Now, this is an umbrella of several other, babies or services, from SEO to social media marketing to website design and several other skills underneath. Now, for digital marketing, this is actually one that would actually help you to make a lot of money online, because there are a lot of companies, there are a lot of business owners who are looking for how to make more sales, how to get their products and services to more people, and this is one way you can actually get started with, and learning this would help you to scale, because you can actually go on contract with these several businesses and make a lot of money for yourself. Now, the second one here is graphic design. Now, graphic design might actually look like this very old skill in the block, but beyond it being one of the oldest skill, it is still as relevant as it has always been. Now, I would say that I actually skipped learning graphic design during my years of mastering all of these skills, and that is one of the things I regret the most, because right now I have to hire a graphic designer every now and then just to pull up a few graphics for me and get it done neatly and properly. Yes, there is Canva, but then Canva doesn't actually feel that particular need to have a graphic designer. Well, I could just totally outsource everything to this guy. I'll do the full design for me. Now, if you can actually get hold of mastering and learning graphic design, then you're in to make a lot of money in the freelancing space. Understanding how to use CorelDRAW, understanding how to use Adobe Photoshop and several other tools is going to be key in this particular skill. And once you're able to master this, you understand how to actually create crazy ass designs that people are going to love, and you are always going to be on job. Like, you will never be out of job, honestly, because everything we do in this world has the visual side, right? Where people want to see, because in seeing they are able to connect better and connect more with that particular service or product that you are currently selling. And this is why you would always be in demand, and it's going to be one of the top skills for freelancing even in 2023. Now, the next one here is video production and editing. Yes, this is the third on my list, and I'm saying this because, you see, guys, you're going to realize that the world is tilting towards everything videos. Yeah, currently there is TikTok where you can actually create videos and upload, and there is also, you know, Instagram has been aligning a lot of videos. Currently they started doing Instagram reels to actually promote more videos. There is YouTube, which is a video based platform, but right now they even have video shorts to allow more creators come up on the platform. And even Twitter is going crazy with their videos at this point, LinkedIn as well. Now every platform actually is now opening up to, you know, creators that are able to create video content, and this means that there is a very big opportunity for you to actually become, you know, a video producer or an editor. Yeah, it's just like when they say that during, you know, the gold rush, you sell, you know, the spades that you use for digging. That is where you make a lot of money. Exactly what you do here, where others are creating a lot of videos, you focus on, you know, mastering your video production and editing skills, and you can sell that skill to this set of people, because there's going to be a mass audience that is looking to come online and, you know, start creating more of videos. Okay, so this is one skill you actually want to learn, and you learn it well, understanding the tools and how it works, and you can actually start making a whole lot of money for yourself in this particular space. Now the next one here is actually writing and content creation, and this is actually a little bit, you know, dicey, in as much as it is actually one of the top skills for freelancing in this particular year. But then with the rise of AI and with several tools, you know, this particular niche is being threatened. But then I'm going to share with you guys what will never get threatened. One is copywriting. Right? If you're a copywriter, you see, no matter how AI tools want to actually do the magic to create crazy ass copies and all, they would not beat a human who understands and has honed this skill of copywriting in the game. Okay, now the next one here is journalism. When you are able to do, you know, content research and also give useful information about things, yeah, there is no way an AI tool actually gets to do that. Now as well, there are several, you know, sub niches of writing and content creation where you can actually get to, you know, a niche down to, and you get to realize that this particular space is the main space that I should actually stay, and I'm not threatened with the rise of AI. And the next one here is programming and website development. Yeah, I will keep on saying this over and over again. Everybody wants to go online, everybody wants to stay online, and with being online, you need to create a home online. And having a home online means that you need a website, right? Yes, so people are always going to want a website, and they're wanting more because, you know, people are becoming more internet savvy, they are jumping into the internet space, and this is actually one of the basic things you actually want to get started for yourself, right? And as well, programming, with the rise of several softwares, several SaaS, you know, startups coming up lately, there's going to be a very, very big, you know, space for you to make a lot of cash from this particular freelancing skill. Now, where do you actually sell these particular skills? You can sell these skills on Upwork and on Fiverr. Yeah, where Fiverr could be very competitive, Upwork is a very great space that you can actually get started with, and you can make a whole lot of money from. I actually heard of a friend who made over $30,000 on one particular gig on Upwork, and he actually did that particular amount after he went through this particular program from my friend that I'm going to give you access to right now. Now, this particular program actually walks you through how you can actually sell that skill that you have on the Upwork platform, sell it to people in the US and UK, and you get paid in dollars, right? We all know that when you actually get paid in dollars, changing it back to the Nigerian naira, you're going to be a big boy in this particular space. And this is how people make a lot of money that they can actually use to fend for themselves for several things, and you too can also do the same. All right, so I'm going to leave the link to this particular Upwork masterclass down in the description. You can get access to it if you actually want it. If you want to start making money by selling your skills and freelancing online, click the first link in the description and you can get access to this masterclass and get started for yourself. I will actually tell you that it's really just $10 to actually get started with this particular masterclass, and you will thank me that you're able to part ways with $10 and invest in something that will help you to start making huge money in return. So go ahead, click the first link and get started right now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I so love the fact that you've stayed to this very point, and yes, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. At the same time, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you can get my subsequent videos. And with this, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.